On another kind of Augusty, foggy morning here in San Francisco. No sign of fall at all. Alright, what I'm going to talk about is why do humans lie? And why are we in such a lying frenzy right now? It's almost everybody is lying. For an example, Japan, or Nihon, is now doing their yearly scientific experiments on whales. So far they've killed 120 pregnant female whales, 333 minke whales, and many other whales. Let's take a look at these pictures. The disgusting. You know, whales are extraordinarily smart and intelligent. They call it, Japan is using a loophole to kill these animals, which is the same as a lie. If you can't just follow the law the way it's written, you're lying to people. Too windy now. Gotta go find another place. So, these hunts are done in the southern oceans. Tokyo says it's legal because they have found a loophole that calls it a scientific research. They need that many whales for scientific research? That's very sad. So all marine species, including whales, are already suffering terribly by plastic pollution, bycatch, which means that they get caught in the nets that they are not wanted in, and then they're discarded out in the ocean, and marine pollution of all kinds. Unfortunately, there are many people that use lying, especially in the environmental situations, such as oil drilling, hunts, and that sort of thing. Really quite disgusting. When countries and leaders lie, such as we're seeing in the Saudi Arabia situation with the murdered journalist who had a hit put on him, and nobody knows who really put the hit on him. Any guesses? But lying is now the thing. That's how we do things now. So when somebody tells you something, I guess you just expect, if they say one thing, it's the opposite. Don't you agree that lying is just hideous? Why doesn't Japan just say they're going to do the hunt and flip everybody the finger instead of finding a loophole? We're allowed to kill 600 whales per year for scientific research, and we actually don't correct that? Boy, I tell you, I can't stand the leaderships. The leadership of the world is just trash. We need to replace every single one of them. Every one of them. If you don't, oh well. Always helps to hit the record button. So, a little windy, too many people, and frankly too much dog crap. So I came back here, and I'll finish the video here. So, the Atlantic right whale, the most endangered whale on the planet. Another one washes up on the U.S. East Coast, dead. Could this have something to do with the pink and red tides around Florida and other parts of the Atlantic and Gulf Coast? Are we going to lose all of our big whales, big animals completely? That'd be a real shame, wouldn't it? Lying about it certainly doesn't help. So you kind of question, are there really 450 left? It's always interesting that these whales end up in markets being sold. I've never yet seen any kind of proof that there's any scientific value in killing 600 whales per year. An endangered species. So we just use loopholes to do it. It's sort of like going and killing a lion in Africa. or some exotic animal, as they're called. It's really quite disgusting, wouldn't you say? I definitely appreciate all the ups and the downs, and especially the new subscribers. The wind is coming up, so I must move on. And until next time.